Hi guys, Bruce Webster here for Bruce's Tools Welding and Maintenance. I wanted to make this video series so that I could go over some things. I've been in maintenance for 25 to 30 years. I was a pipe welder in an aluminum extrusion factory back in Indiana. Some of this stuff I'm going to rehash a little bit. I said in a previous video that I was not going to plug any one product. That's not necessarily true. I guess I lied. As far as welders go, I use primarily Lincoln and Miller welders. I have a Hypertherm plasma cutter. There are so many tools, and I'll have to just keep reiterating during my video series. One of the things that I use an awful lot, and I do lots of different things with it, is my Metabo grinder. Metabo is a German-made grinder. I've had tremendous luck with them. I've had several. Most generally I use a grinder every single day. I use them for grinding, of course. I use cut-off wheels on them. I use wire brush on them. Flap discs, which are extremely handy, and I'm going to show some of this stuff in my future videos, how to deburr, how easy it is, any of this stuff. Hopefully these videos will be helpful to a maintenance man, a welder, hobbyist. A lot of folks want to do it for a hobby, and it's so simple. Anybody can do it. A lot of people get the idea that they can't weld, and that's not true. I always have said that 99.999% of the population can weld and should. There are occasionally you'll run across somebody who maybe shouldn't, but these are just things that we'll talk about, and I'll try to highlight in my future videos. Hopefully we'll talk about different kind of lubricants. We live in Phoenix, Arizona, so the temperatures are pretty extreme here in the summertime. If you grease wheels on an object and you come back a week later and basically all you have is a puddle of oil. When you have daytime temperatures ranging from 110 to 120 plus degrees, you're going to have problems like that. And that hopefully we'll cover some of those things in this video series, try to help people out. Hopefully this will be really good content for a lot of different people. I like to review tools. There again, I'm going to toss another name out there, and I'm not getting paid by anybody to say these names. These are things that I use, and hopefully they'll be helpful to you. I like to go to Lowe's. Lowe's has a tremendous tool selection, a lot of very good tools. Some of them aren't the highest grade that you can buy, of course, but sometimes a lower grade object, you can get by with it if you use it properly, if you use a little bit of common sense, and hopefully we'll give you some knowledge in these videos. Drill bits is one of my big pet peeves, and I'm sure a lot of metal workers out there feel the same way. Later on I will talk about where I bought drill bits before. Drill bits can be very expensive, but the ones that are worth buying are very expensive. A lot of these things we'll go over in the future, so I'm hopeful this content will be helpful to a lot of people, and please tune in, come back. We will be on a regular basis. So thank you. Have a good day.